So taxes, it takes up 1/3 of your income. If you ever look at your paycheck stub, you will see gross pay, what you made, net pay, what you brought home. It's about 1/3 of your paycheck, 30%. So when you look at it on a year's aspect, 30% of the year is 4 months. So you're essentially working from January to April for free, right? So that's one of the reasons we can't get ahead, but you never even look at it like that. So I'm trying to give you the bird's eye view to actually show you what's going on, and we can fix that. And I'll get to that part later on. I'll be able to show you what I've showed them and help them overcome these issues, okay? When you combine the inflation and the taxes, that's what's going to create the debt. So you may have had enough money at first, but when they raise your rent up $200-300 in the beginning of the year, now groceries are higher, gas is higher, daycare is higher, that's what's causing the issue. So we like to look at it from a cause and effect issue. What's causing the debt? So we know what caused it, we can fix it. But you gotta know the issue first. So everything we do is education based. We wanna be able to teach the community of what's going on. We know what's happening because we're hearing about it. But they don't have the solutions. They're having their strategies of working 2 or 3 jobs. And I'm asking you, how does that work? It's only 24 hours a day. And sometimes you'll go into a different tax bracket, which will actually hurt you further than what you're actually doing now. Then you get to the last one of big business. So what does that mean? We're in America, the capitalistic society, meaning that you can solicit products or have a business to make money. So there's 12 months in a year, and so each month there is a major holiday. And so we just had Thanksgiving, so you had Brown Thursday, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Cyber Week. 3 weeks later, we have Christmas, Christmas Eve, New Year's. So we're always constantly spending money that we don't even have. Now, I'm not saying you can't go buy certain things and do what you want to do, but just be aware of what America is doing as a capitalistic country, right? Okay.